Welcome to today's market report. European stock markets traded strongly higher on Monday, helped by positive Chinese data, while M&A deals suggested returning confidence to the corporate sector. DAX traded 2.4% higher, CAC 40 rose 1.9%, UK FTSE climbed 1.6%. Data over weekend showed an increase in profits at China's industrial companies for the fourth consecutive month in August, suggesting that the economic recovery in the second largest economy in the world was well entrenched. Adding to the optimism was news of more M&A deals within the region. ArcelorMittal stock rose 5.7% after Cleveland-Cliffs, the largest U.S. producer of iron ore pellets, agreed to buy its U.S. assets for about $1.4 billion. William Hill stock fell 12% to 272 pence after soaring over 40% on Friday when it confirmed it had received proposals from US-based private equity firm Apollo and casino giant Caesars Entertainment. Caesars said on Monday that it may offer 272 pence per share, valuing the company at 2.9 billion sterling pounds. HSBC climbed 10% after China's Ping An Insurance increased its stake to 8% from 7.85%, seeing a bargain after the bank's stock last week fell to the lowest since 1995. Elsewhere, Diageo rose 5.5% after the world's largest liquor maker said performance has improved across the board, driven in large part by its US business. Siemens Energy, meanwhile, got off to a sluggish start as the German engineering giant spun off its turbine business, which combines both renewables and its struggling thermal power division. Broader market giants could quickly come under pressure again as expectations for economic growth in Europe and further afield falter on the back of a resurgence of COVID-19 cases. Investors will also be keeping a wary eye on the latest Brexit talks, with the final round of scheduled discussions between the EU's chief Brexit negotiator Michel Barnier and his British counterpart David Frost, beginning in Brussels on Tuesday. Oil prices weakened on Monday, with the major oil benchmarks on course to end the month lower for the first time in many months, as rising coronavirus cases threaten hopes of a recovery in demand. Crude futures traded 0.7% lower at $39.97 a barrel. Brent fell 0.6% to 42.14. Brent is on track for its first monthly loss in 6, while WTI is headed for its first monthly drop since April. Gold futures fell 0.2% to $1,863.30 per ounce. On the FX front, GBP USD probes the upper end of 128.30 to 50 trading range. While heading into Monday's London Open, the cable benefits from the weekend headlines suggesting brighter odds of success for the key Brexit talks, though the coronavirus and the mixed political clues keep the balls chained ahead of the crucial week compromising trade negotiations and UK GDP. While the divorce talk will start from Tuesday, British Cabinet Office Minister Michael Gove's visit to Brussels makes the day important amid a light calendar. UK's negotiator Lord Frost's team is reported to have privately said there will be a deal. However, the cost of losing a trade deal is estimated by the Financial Times as near 1 million British jobs, as a further burden on the economy that is yet to overcome the COVID-19 world seems to push the BOE policymakers to defend the negative rate policies. Even so, the Centre for Brexit Policy urged Prime Minister Boris Johnson to tear up his divorce deal with the EU. The euro plummeted to 116.15 per dollar, its lowest level since late July. The pair has posted an interim top at 120.11 and heads lower with 115 at sides. The dollar index was down 0.1% at 94.55. Dollar yen is trading at 105.36. This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.